On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a vacuum so we can vacuum and mop the floors today. Everything that you've been doing, from the chandelier, the fans, the baseboards, and everything that you've been knocking down, we're now going to clean up off the floor. So we'll start with the vacuum cleaner. We'll do some of that, and then we'll mop. And I'll come back to you when we mop. So now I'm done vacuuming. Now I'm gonna mop. I'm gonna mop with Murphy's oil. I've already poured it into the bucket. And we're gonna try this after the Murphy's oil dries on the floor and see if it works. I have, this floor is basically, we haven't redone it or anything like that. So I'm just trying to do like an uplift a little bit for now. And I'm gonna see if that Wyman hardwood polish and restorer works on it. So we're about to do that. First, we're doing the Murphy's oil. If I could get the camera pointed right. There we go. I don't know what this looks like because I don't have the phone on me, but or the camera on me. I might put this in fast forward mode. So we're just doing this half for y'all to see what I'm doing. Let me move this. And we'll come back to you when this dries and we'll do the other stuff. Alright, the Murphy's oil mopping has dried. So now we're going to do this Wyman wood polish stuff. So we got to pour it in a zigzag like this, basically. And then put it in a stroke of how you want to do it, I guess. And you need a dry cloth. I just took a cloth and put it on a Swiffer, so that's how we're doing it. And once you do this, you let 30 minutes to dry. I'm just going like this. And this company did not sponsor me, but if they want to sponsor me, they can reach out. These are old floors. I used another product trying to do this to restore it, and it didn't really work. And I'm just pushing forward on it. I'm not really mopping it. I'm just going over the area that I put that stuff on. So we'll let this section dry for 30 minutes and I'll come back to you to show you what it looks like. So it's been 30 minutes and this is what the restore stuff looks like. It put a gloss on it really good. If you have new floors, I would suggest reading the directions or calling the manufacturer that does that stuff, because new floors usually don't need to be restored. So These are like from the 50s and 60s and never been restained or nothing. But that stuff did pretty well. So thank you for watching Attack at Cleaning today. And go attack your cleaning in your neighborhood or in your house. And keep on watching. We got a few more days left. And hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks a lot.